Good morning, ma'am.
Who is this? Good morning. Who is this? Ruby Yadav. Change your name.
Good morning, ma'am. Kavish Jongwar present.
Good morning. No need to speak your name. No need to speak your name.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Good morning. Keep your cameras on. Keep your cameras on. Quickly. Tejas, Atharv Singh, Karthik. Who is this Oppo A1K? Change your name.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Good morning. Open your cameras. Karthik Sharma. Open your camera.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Open your cameras quickly. Open your cameras. I can see Arav Bhatnagar and Gargi switching off their cameras. Arav Bhatnagar and Gargi, switch on your cameras.
Ma'am, I have switched on my camera.
Okay, good. Everyone, switch on your camera. Everyone, switch on your cameras. So today we will be starting with where we have done. Acha, nobody will Swabika. Who will switch on your camera? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, today we will start with greatest and smallest numbers. Write the greatest and smallest number. There we will start.
Ma'am, from same page.
No, new page.
Ma'am, when we will do Roman numbers?
बेटा पहले ये चैप्टर फिनिश हो जाए तभी तो नॉर्मल नंबर्स करोगे ना, है ना? बहुत जल्दी है कविश? हाँ?
16, ma'am, exercise 16.
No, not exercise 16. There is not 16. This is point in between. There is one point in between. Today we will do smaller than, less than, and greater than. Okay, suppose two numbers are given to us. Suppose two numbers are given to us and we have to find out which is greater, smaller, or equal. We have done this na yesterday. Greater than, smaller than, and less than. Yes, we have done that yesterday.
Yes, ma'am.
Today I am going to start a new how to form suppose. Now look here. Look here.
Ma'am, page number.
No page number. Are you new to the class? No page number. Look here on the board. Look here, everyone. Look here on the board. Fold your arms. Fold your arms. Look here on the board. Everyone, look here on the board. Fold your arms. Jasleen, open your camera. Who is this Oppo A1K? Change your name.
Ma'am, this is Samarth Jaiswal.
Change your name yourself, whosoever it is. Jasleen, open your camera and show me your face. And look here, everyone on the board. Now look here.
Ma'am.
Look here now. Now be quiet. Now if I ask.
We have to open book or notebook.
Kavish, I'll throw you out of the meeting right now. This is the second time you are asking the same question again. I told you to fold your arms and look here on the board. He never listened to me. He just know how to speak. He don't know how to listen. Look here, everyone. Fold your arms. If I ask you greatest two-digit number, which is the greatest two-digit number? Which is the greatest two-digit number? Raise your hands. Raise your hand, those who know which is the greatest two-digit number. Okay, Aryan is raising his hand. Aryan, yes.
And the greatest two-digit number is 99.
Very good. Excellent. Okay.
Thank you.
Okay, Ayushri and Shreya, tell me the smallest two-digit number.
Ma'am, 10.
10. Very good. Is 10. Okay. Now tell me what is the greatest three-digit number?
999.
Not like this. Raise your hands. Rohit?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, tell me the answer.
Ma'am, three-digit greatest number is 999.
Very good. Now tell me smallest three-digit number.
100.
Now nobody will speak in between. Raise your hands. Siddhant?
Yes. Ma'am, 444.
No, beta. Why 444? See,
Ma'am,
Siddhant.
your voice is very. Ma'am, your voice is stepping.
Siddhant, now listen here. Siddhant, my voice is coming?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Look here. Smallest three-digit number we have to calculate. Okay? So how will you calculate the smallest three-digit number? Calculate नहीं, it is already given. How to find out? Smallest three-digit number कैसा होता है बेटा? जो first digit होता है उसको लिखते हैं हम हमेशा 1. Okay? Smallest में we write first digit. अब how many digits are left? 2 digits are left. So we will write 2 zeros. Okay, Siddhant, understood? Okay, son. Please don't speak in between. Understood, Siddhant? It's not
Yes,
444. What is it? 100. Okay. Now, greatest four-digit number. Prakhar. Prakhar. Huh?
Yes, ma'am.
Prakhar, tell the answer. Justine, I'll throw you out if your mic is not off. Keep your mic off. Camera on. Wait a minute, Prakhar. Prakhar, beta, wait. Camera on, Justine, और mic off कर लो. I am going to throw you out, Justine, now. It's Justine and Kavish, both of them. They don't study, they don't listen to me, and they just keep on talking. And their mic is always on. Prakhar, हाँ बच्चे, tell me this one.
9,999.
9,999. Okay. Now tell me the smallest four-digit number.
Am I?
No. Somebody else. Let them raise their hands. Let them raise their hands. Okay, Kanha. एक तो कान्हा का mic, I don't know what is the problem with the Kanha's mic. हाँ.
Ma'am,
You have two mics, Kanha? Do you have two mics?
smallest four-digit numbers.
हाँ.
Ma'am, smallest four-digit number are thousand, ma'am.
How many thousand?
Ma'am, 1,000.
Yes, 1,000. Okay, Kanha, there are two mics. Kanha, are there two mics?
Yes, ma'am.
How come? कैसे? Two mics कैसे हो सकते हैं? That's why I'm not able to hear him. He switches on something from the corner and then he able to speak. What is this? Show me. Show me, show me, show me. What is this? Bring it a little closer.
Ma'am, this is my second pen.
Acha. Okay. This, when you come closer to it, when you switch it on, then it comes, right? Is it so? Okay. चलो. See, understood everyone? जब हमें greatest बनाना होता है, we greatest 2 digit है तो 2 nines. Greatest 3 digit है तो 3 nines. जब greatest होता है, we place the greatest digit with a 9. Okay. Now, if we have to find out the smallest number, 2 digits are there. First one will be 1 and the remaining one will be 0. पहला वाला 1 होगा और बाकी सारे 0 हो जाएंगे. 3 digit में first one will be 1 and the remaining 2 will be zeros. Fourth वाले में smallest में first one will be 1 and remaining 3 will be zeros. ठीक है? Okay. Now look here. Now if you have to form this smallest 4-digit number, if you have to write down the smallest 4-digit number and digits I am telling you. Suppose the digits are 3, 2, 9, 5. These are 4 digits.
the copy.
पहले मैं ना एंजल को क्लास से बाहर कर दूं. वेट अ मिनट. मैं एंजल को क्लास से बाहर रिमूव कर देती हूँ पहले.
No, ma'am, I
नहीं, I will remove you. First I remove you. बेटा एंजल, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल लेट मी टॉक टू her फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल. मैं हमेशा टॉप पर लिखती हूँ ना कि ये क्या कहाँ करना है मैथ्स पे, नोटबुक या बुक में, वो लिखती हूँ ना.
बट मैम आज आपने नहीं लिखा.
नहीं लिखा है का मतलब है आप यहाँ पर साथ चुप बैठ करके मेरी बात सुनिए. जो मैं पढ़ा रही हूँ उसको ध्यान से सुन लो. कैमरा एक जगह रखा करो. डोंट रोम हियर एंड देयर. सिट एट वन प्लेस एंड लिसन टू मी केयरफुली. लिसन टू मी केयरफुली इंस्टेड ऑफ स्पीकिंग. इंग्लिश समझ आ रही है ना? Are you able to understand me in English?
Yes, ma'am.
First of all, you will listen to me. Then you will speak. Let me teach the whole thing. अभी मैंने पढ़ाया भी नहीं है, पूरा complete भी नहीं किया है. Is anybody here doing in copy? Anybody? See, any one of you is doing in copy? Is there anyone? Everyone knows they do not have to do anything. They have to look on the board. Everyone knows that. Anvi, Varshisht and Arhan, is there something special with you that you are switching off your cameras? Anvi, what about you? Where is your camera? Arhan, now again it is off. Now when I teach you, don't speak in between. Look here, Angel, look here, what I'm teaching you. It is very important. And you're not even looking at it. मैं कुछ समझा रही हूँ, उसे समझो. मैथ्स बेटा लिखने के लिए नहीं होती है कॉपी में, समझने के लिए भी होती है. तो समझो what I'm teaching you. Sit at one place and see what I'm teaching you. See here, if you have to write down the smallest 4-digit number, आपको एक number लिखना है which is of how many digits? Which is of 4 digits. Okay, and it should be the smallest number. Suppose I'm having 2, 3, 4 cards. 1, 3, 2, 9, 5. Now I have to arrange them so that I got the smallest 4-digit number. Beta, whenever we have to find the smallest digit numbers, we arrange the digits in ascending order. We arrange the digits in ascending order. Okay, which is the smallest digit here?
2.
2. Very good. 2. Then
3. Then 3.
Then
3.
5.
then
9.
2359 is the smallest 4-digit number. Okay, and if I have to form the greatest 4-digit number, greatest 4-digit number. We arrange the digits. We arrange the digits in descending order. We arrange the digits in descending order. So tell me, which is the greatest 4-digit? Which is the greatest number? Which is the greatest? 9. Then, so 9,532 is the greatest 4-digit number. Understood? Understood? Okay. Now if you are, if I ask you to form the smallest 4-digit number, the smallest and greatest 4-digit number using the digits 1, 5, 6, 2. Okay, tell me what will be the greatest 4-digit, smallest 4-digit number? Okay, greatest. What will be the greatest?
6,500.
Very good. Very good. I see the answers in the chat box also. Very nice. Very good.
I know all the greatest.
Okay, now look here. Now I'm changing the question. Okay.
Ma'am, I
Now write the smallest 4-digit number. Tell me the smallest 4-digit number.
2069.
How many of you are saying this is the answer? Beta Kavit, do not put the commas. No, Vayun. Vayun. No, wrong, Vayun. Okay, how many of you are saying this is the answer? Raise your hands. Raise your hands like this. If you say this is the answer, raise your hands. Okay, Ayushi and Shreya, Gargi, very good. And then Saksham. Priya, please switch on your camera. Okay, Prakhar. Arav, please switch off your mic. Let me see. Let me see who will. Please do not raise your hands in the chat, this corner. I want your raise hands on your videos like this. On your videos, because I see only the videos. Okay, Tejas. Aryan, you don't say this is not the answer? Okay. Tejas is saying, who is this Oppo AK1? इनको इसका नाम मैं Oppo AK1 के ही रख देती हूँ.
ये साम्राट जायसवाल.
Let it be. Samrat Jaiswal नहीं है, वो Oppo A1 की है. Okay. Priya is saying, beta, all those who are saying this is the answer, they are wrong. They are wrong. Why is it wrong? Look here. Now look here and look at what. Listen to me carefully. Those who are saying this is the answer, they are wrong. Why they are wrong? Because beta, if I write 02, if I write 02, 02 is equals to how much? 02 is equals to 2 only. 02 is equals to 2 only. क्योंकि 0 पहले लगा होता है उसका मतलब कुछ नहीं होता है. 0, this 2 is how many digit number? Show me your fingers. How many digit number is 02? 02 is a 2-digit number. No. No. 2 is how many digits? How many digits are there in this 02? 3.
Ma'am, 1.
1.
1. Ma'am, 1.
1-digit number. Very good. It is a 1-digit number. It is a 1-digit number. If it is written 029, 029 is equals to how much?
Then 3.
029. 29. Yes.
Ma'am, 2-digit number.
It is a 2-digit number. It is a 2-digit number. Now, if I ask you about 0269, 0269 is equals to 269, and 269 is a 3-digit number. And I asked you about a 4-digit number. तो ये 3 digits का हो गया. That means it is wrong. I asked you 4-digit number and you gave me answer of 3-digit number. So you are wrong. So बेटा क्या करते हैं? Don't tell me the answer. No need of answer. आपने क्या किया? 0269. Yes, good. You arranged it correctly. But what we will do, we will exchange them. We will exchange them. 0 को इधर कर देंगे, 2 को इधर कर देंगे. So answer will be 2069. We will exchange first 2 digits. ऐसे like this. Raghav, are you feeling sleepy? You want to lie down? Okay, greatest 4-digit number. What is the greatest 4-digit number? Raghav, open your camera. Greatest 4-digit number.
Ma'am, 9,602. Ma'am,
If you are saying this, you are wrong. You are wrong. Because
620.
yes, 9,620.
1,620.
बेटा greatest में replace नहीं करते हैं. Because 20 is 20. इसमें replace नहीं करते हैं. If you are saying this, you are wrong. इधर change नहीं करते, इधर exchange नहीं करते, सिर्फ smallest में change करते हैं. Always make the digits from here. Now everyone, open your maths pair notebooks. Open your maths pair notebook. अच्छा एक question और कर लेते हैं revise, उसके बाद करेंगे maths pair notebook. एक question और revise कर लेते हैं. 3105. Okay, tell me the smallest 4-digit number.
0.
And here 5310. Understood? अच्छा एक और क्वेश्चन दे रही हूँ. वेट. 3135 इसके लिए क्या करोगे? असेंडिंग ऑर्डर में अरेंज करना है. 1 3 3 5. बेटा पविश कॉमा नहीं पुट करते हैं. When you write the number, do not put the commas. When you write digits, then put the commas. Okay. See here, greatest 4-digit number will be 5321. All right. Chalo, let me share my screen. Very good. Yes. Let me share my screen. Then I'll start doing it. The next question. Okay. Take out maths pair notebook, a new page. Take out your maths pair notebooks, a new page. Wait. Maths pair notebook, new page. I'm also writing here. Raghav and Jasleen. What? Jasleen अभी बता रही हूँ तुमको मैं. Jasleen को मैं अभी बाहर ही करती हूँ क्लास से. Let me throw her out of the meeting. 1 or 2, 3 students are there in the class. I will throw them out of the meeting. The class will behave properly then.
Ma'am, I send you the answers in chat
Which answer?
box.
Which answer?
Ma'am, ये
Answer.
जो करवाती थी उसके answers.
तो मैंने आपको कराया कब अभी?
Ma'am,
हाँ?
chat में जो आप करवा रही थी अभी.
What is your name? Who is speaking?
Ma'am, आर्यन चंद्र.
बेटा मैंने कराया कभी कुछ भी अभी?
मैम जो आप बोर्ड में लिख रही थी वो मैंने आपको चैट बॉक्स में भेजे हैं उसके आंसर.
Okay, that I saw beta. That I saw and I've checked it also. They were correct. Okay, I've seen them. I told you also that the chat box. I thought in WhatsApp group you copied down somewhere. Maths pair notebook, new page. Wait. Maths fair notebook. Wait. Okay. ठीक है. Do not write anything what I'm writing with the blue pen. Wait, green color. Wait a second. Okay. Whatever I'm writing with the green color, do not write that. With the blue color, you have to write that. Right? Exercise, which is the exercise 1.8. 3A is much ahead of you. 3A has completed this chapter, is going to complete this chapter. So you have to be a little quicker. Write the greatest and smallest four-digit number formed by using digits only. Divide your page in 3 equal parts or draw 2 lines. Wait. Like this. 1 and 2 lines. Like this. Okay. Now, here you will write digits. This is the heading, digits. Here you will write smallest number. And in another column, you will write down the largest number. Alright. So the digits of the first question is 43724, 3, 7, 2. Question 2 is 34893, 4, 8, 9. Beta, do not put commas when you are forming the numbers. When you form the number, जब हम number smallest number and greatest number when we write, we do not write beta when so what I was saying. We do whenever we write the smallest and the largest number, do not put commas in between because that is a number and these are digits. Digits are different. What is the difference between digits and numbers? Anyone can tell me? Any one of you can tell me the difference between the digits and numbers? 3, 4, 8, 9, 3, 0, 5.
Ma'am, there are no difference.
Very good. You are absolutely wrong. Who told me this answer? May I know your name? Who told me this answer?
Ma'am, Avika.
Avika, were you there present in the first class? First class means when I took your first class, maths first period. Because I already told you difference, digits are like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Like alphabets. Alphabets are there.
Ma'am, digits are part of a number.
Yes, very good. Digits are parts of numbers, like alphabets and words. Alphabets are A, B, C, D. Aradhya, Rastogi, do your work, beta. Don't look here and there. Do not. अभी देखती हूँ मैं किसका कैमरा ऑफ है. बस मेरा हो गया ये. You will start doing this. अभी देखती हूँ मैं कैमरा किसका ऑफ है and who is not doing the work. 9193 9, 1, 9, 3. Okay. For the smallest number, how will you form the smallest number of the first one? Chalo, I'll tell you this one. I am telling you the which one should I tell you? Okay, first wala batati hu, and then I'll wait a second. See. Yes, the smallest number, first one I was telling you, it will be 2347. Okay, and the largest will be 7342. 7342. Okay, so I'm telling you the sixth one also. It will be like if you write 0012, it will be wrong. So what if you replace 0012? So what you will do here? See, look this one. One bala, you will remove one from here and you will place one in the beginning. Okay, and do not write 2001. Write it as 12100. All right, do rest of them yourself. Let me take the attendance first of all of yours.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, I can go to take the scale.
Yes, yes. And yes, draw the lines with a scale. If you draw the lines without a scale, I am not going to see. Whenever I got that notebook, I will throw it away. Do it quickly. Within this period, you have to complete it. And there are three students in the class, those who are making a lot of noise unnecessarily. बेटा जब मैं पढ़ाती हूँ ना तो ध्यान से सुना करो, otherwise किसी की कुछ समझ नहीं आएगा. Whenever I teach you, just look at the board properly. Beta likhna, whenever you have to write, I will give a lot of time to write. And I will tell you, you have to write in book, notebook. I always mention it at the top.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
On question 349.
If you will speak together, I will not able to hear a single one of you. Who is saying excuse me? Who said first? I means tell your name. Pehle Vashisht, first you speak. First you speak, Vashisht. Because Kavish keep on speaking.
3489 and smallest number 3489 is the same one.
No, beta. Yes, 3489 will be the smallest and largest will be what?
And largest will 9843.
Yes, very good. This Vashisht, correct. Yes, who? Yes, Kavish, बोलिए. Unnecessary question नहीं होना चाहिए बेटा Kavish. I'm telling you.
Ma'am, there is not coming number, smallest number.
Why is it not coming? Is what happened? Why is it not coming?
Ma'am, I make lines, so it is not coming smallest number.
It will come.
Only
Write number in the next
coming.
line. Use your some common sense. Do you have some common sense, Kavish? Do you have some common sense? Write in the next line. This is the common sense. If it is not coming in one line, use the next line.
Ma'am, I have done my work.
Okay, beta. Send it. What is your name?
Ma'am, Saksham Gangwar.
Okay. Do it quickly, everyone.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Hmm.
Ma'am, first one you have, in largest one you have written wrong.
In largest, I've written wrong. First wala.
First one.
क्या लिखा है मैंने? Let me check it. It is, I've written 7342. Yes, 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 yes. Sorry. Nobody told me this. Kanha, were you saying same thing? Kanha, you were saying about this only. Yes. It will be 7432. Yes, first one correct, everyone, if you have written like me. Thank you so much, Ayushi and Shreya. I don't know who is speaking. Shreya, are you speaking?
Yes, ma'am, I am speaking.
Okay, because both of you say look alike and I am always confused who is Shreya and who is Ayushi. Today is 25, right?
Yes, ma'am. Today is 25.
Okay, because the period is beta C, period is going to be over. So I'm going to tell you the answers quickly. Do not send the answers by the time. By the time I'm telling you the answers, beta check your answers. Period is going to be over now, and it will be left out. So let's complete it. ठीक है 3489 का smallest number बताओ जल्दी से क्या होगा same 3849 and the largest will be 9843 check your answers quickly period is going to be over okay the question will 2035 देखो पहले क्या करो पहले अरेंज कर लिया करो 0235 arrange it now it is coming a 3-digit number so do one thing exchange 2 and 0 okay here it will be 3520 okay check your answers quickly 9830 oh, sorry 3089 and here it will be 9830 here there are two ones are there the 1139 and here it will be 9311 here there are two nines so there will be 1399 and here it will be 9913 be quick check yourself your
Ma'am,
answers
Ma'am,
31.
ma'am,
huh?
ma'am, ma'am,
Yes beta
ma'am, third largest number is wrong.
third largest number is wrong what is it 233 acha 5320 okay so
And
good
ma'am,
very
last
good
largest number is also wrong.
yes
And
thank you
last
very good ये तो बहुत ही अच्छा है that you are telling me yourself 9931 very good that means you are paying attention very good rest वाला correct बाकी सब ठीक है
Yes, ma'am.
okay I'm sharing the answers on the WhatsApp also if you have not done you can check it from the WhatsApp as well as from the B group okay Vayun also send me Arhan also send me good very good that you are so quick बच्चे I'm trying to send one more